Hello everybody, this is Harsh speaking here. So I got my CA Intern May 2024 attempt study material from ICAI. So this is my unboxing video. I got my books in two boxes and I'm going to open that. So firstly I'm going to open my group 1 books and then I will open my group 2 books. So this is group 1 books. And we can look into here that the institute's logo on the outer cover of the box. Intermediate course, group 1. So in group 1 we have 10 books, right? In advanced accounts we will look into 3 modules. So I will be showing you later. Before that I am going to unpack my group 2 books. So in group 2 we have 7 books to read. So nothing in the boxes except our books. So now let's move to look into our group 1 books. So that is, first of all we look into advanced accounting module 1, module 2 and module 3. We have module 3 modules in accounts, right? So unfortunately we have to read in black and white pages, right? Unfortunately. So here we go with third module of accounts, so large one. And we have 3 modules in corporate and other laws, paper number 2, so same black and white. And paper number 3, that is taxation. In that, income tax, we have 2 books for income tax and other 2 books for GST, that is indirect tax. So this is so large, bro. Taxation. And we have space for to make notes on the textbook also. So this is last module of paper number 3. So total we have 10 books for group 1 accounts, law and taxation. So now we'll look into group 2. So here we have 7 books. With continue to group 1, next paper, that is paper number 4, cost and management accounting. In that we have 2 modules, module number 1 and module number 2. So here in same to group 1 we have to read black and white pages, that's it. And next paper number 5, that is audit and ethics, auditing and ethics. In that also we have 2 modules. Paper number 6, that is financial management and strategic management. And in financial management we have 2 modules, and the another subject, that is strategic management, we have 1 chapter, 1 module. See you in the next video. Till then, so for now, thank you.